Hi learners, welcome to my channel. You are watching Civil Engineering Survey YouTube channel. Today tutorial is about AutoCAD hatch. In this tutorial, how to detect and erase overlap hatches in AutoCAD if you have a large drawing and there are more overlap hatches in drawing, and how to remove quickly that. Watch the tutorial to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's start. If you check manually, there are overlap hatches, and move it here, overlap hatches. And how to remove it. AP Enter to load Lisp script routine. Select Overlap Hatch Lisp, click on Load, make sure the Lisp successfully loaded. Type Overlap Hatch command, enter by space button in keyboard. Select all objects and enter by space. And enter again the whole entire hatches detected and erase. Final enter. Now check the overlap hatches, it's remove or not. This Lisp is nice working. The download link given in video description below. You can easily download this now. Thanks for watching. Next tutorial coming soon.